Okay, so if we're looking at Python, as many of you know, or hopefully you might remember, to open up your Jupyter notebooks, you can head to your application or do the hold command spacebar to bring up your search bar and type in Anaconda. Hopefully you might still have this application, and this is where you'll be prompted to see this window, and you'll go ahead and launch Jupyter Notebooks here. After launching that, you'll want to create a new file and start reading these items in. Um, Making sure that you make the file in the folder that has all of your data files in it, because we're going to be calling from that same folder. So here's the first line of code. All this is doing is we're utilizing the pandas package and creating a new data frame that's taking in all the information from United Shore, which is the institution that I'm looking at, and it's underscore 2 because this is the one that Anna had put together for us. I went ahead and imported these just because they're standard packages that we've used previously, but the main one is going to be this one here that we're going to utilize to create a histogram. So I just went ahead and called it just to confirm, making sure all the data looks nice and okay and it makes sense. And then this is the main piece of code that Anna had helped us put together, or shared with us, which is pretty much your data frame name. Whoops, your data frame name, the column name, and then the hist is the function that we're calling. So if I were to look at the debt to income ratio, it might look something like, or if I were to make a histogram for the debt to income ratio column, United Shore 2 underscore DF dot debt to income ratio dot hist and run. And so that's a little bit what it looks like. Obviously, income's a little bit harder to see because it's such a wide range, so definitely more information to be worked with there, but debt to income ratio is a nice example to see a little bit what it looks like. So this is how to do a histogram in Python.